Hi students, how are you? I hope all are very fine. Okay, today I am going to teach about chromosomal basic of inheritance. In the previous chapter, you have learned about Mendelian genetics. Now you are going to be study with the deviations of concept related to the Mendelian genetics and chromosomal theory in inheritance. Okay. Chromosome structure. Chromosomes are rod-shaped structure made of DNA and proteins. Okay, chromosome is made up of DNA and protein. Each chromosome is single DNA molecule associated with proteins. The DNA in eukaryotic cell wraps tightly around proteins called histones. These histones only help to maintain the shape of chromosomes. So without the histones, chromosomes not made. So histones only help to maintain the shape of chromosomes. Then chromosomes consist of two identical halves called sister chromosomes. What is a sister chromosome? This is identically same. That's why called sister chromosomes. Then the cell division, each of the two cells receives one chromatid from each chromosomes. Two chromatids are attached at the central point called the centromere. The central point is called the centromere. Then the centromere hold the two chromatids together until they separate during the cell division. The centromere only can help them together until they separate during the cell division. This is the structure of chromosome. The top of the two parts is a P arm. This is a short arm structure. Then down the Q arm, the long arm structure. This is a long portion of the DNA. Then the top is the two identical chromatids. This is a sister chromosomes. Then the last portion is a DNA molecule. Long string-like DNA molecule formed into the compact structure by proteins called histones. So this is having the genetic characteristics. This is a chromosome. The middle portion is called centromere. This centromere only helps to together two parts. The upper part is a P arm. It's a short arm. Then lower part is a Q arm. It's a long arm. Then sister chromatids. Already I said sister chromosome. The top of the portion, two portion is a sister arms because of it's identically same. That's why called sister arms. Then four types of chromosomes is there. One is a metacentric. The next one is submetacentric. The next one is acrocentric. The next one is delocentric. We can see the differentiate between the four type of chromosomes. Chromosome is represented the inheritance. So now we are going to see about chromosomal basis of inheritance. The chromosomal theory of inheritance. Everybody have the characteristic from our parents. This is the theory of chromosome. So these characteristics can transfer by the help of chromosome. Okay. Already I said chromosomal theory is represented to the inheritance or our parent characteristics transfer into them. That is called the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Here also said like that chromosomes are seen in all dividing cells and are passed from generation to generation. Chromosomal basis of inheritance. Heredity factors are located on chromosomes at specific loci, that is at genes, then located in pairs, homologous chromosomes, separated in meiosis viva, segregation and independent assortment. States that genes have specific locations on chromosomes and that it is chromosomes that secrete and assort independently. These are help to or these are reason to the characteristics. The chromosomal basis of sex. In humans and other mammals, there are two varieties of sex chromosomes. The larger X chromosome and smaller Y chromosome. Male have the X and Y chromosome. Female have the XX chromosomes. Before cell division, each chromosome as a whole and the alleles of genes get replicated. What is a replicated? This is transferred to them and or separated during mitotic division. Meiosis take place during gamete formation. Homologous chromosomes form synapses during prophase 1 stage, which is later course get separated and transferred to daughter cells. This chromosome is transferred by the help of deletion or addition. Deletion means any one type of genes is deleted, or another add means any one genes also add that. That is a deletion or addition. Then determination of sex in most of the animals and plants is affected by specific chromosomes. These chromosomes are called sex chromosomes. Chromosome is made up of DNA. So these DNA only help to transfer the characteristics from parent to young ones. Meiosis and mitosis were first described in the late 18th century. The chromosome theory of inheritance states Mendelian genes have specific position on chromosomes. Then chromosomes undergo segregation and independent assortment. The behavior of chromosomes during meiosis can account for Mendel's law of segregation and independent assortment. That character is referred to the position of genes. This is a differentiate between chromosome and gene. A is a chromosome, B is a gene. Both are occur in pairs. Then both are independently. Okay. Chromosomes and genes are present as a pair in diploid cells. Diploid cells means 2n chromosomes. Then homologous chromosomes separated during meiosis. Fertilization restores chromosome number to diploid condition. The chromosomal theory of inheritance claims it is the chromosomes that segregates and assorts independently. Chromosome is basis of heredity. The genetic material of eukaryotes is distributed among multiple chromosomes. In 1902, W. Sutton and T. Boveri independently recognized that the transmission of chromosomes from one generation to next generation, the pattern of transmission of Mendelian factors from one generation to the next. They proposed the chromosome theory of inheritance, which states that the chromosomes are the carriers of genes. These genes only based on these characteristics. Sutton is credited with first proposing the chromosome theory of inheritance. Chromosomes are in pairs. It's a pair. Then homologous chromosomes separated during meiosis so that alleles are segregated. Meiotic produce have one of each homologous chromosomes but not both. Then fertilization restores the pairs of chromosomes. Genes are located on chromosomes. Chromosomes are called linkage groups. What is a linkage groups? Linkage groups is nothing but they contain a group of genes that are linked together on the same DNA molecule. That is a linkage groups. For the example, in humans, 22 autosomal linkage groups and 6 chromosomal linkage groups and Y chromosome linkage groups. If no crossing over, the alleles of all genes located on the same chromosome would be inherited together. Genetic linkage is a tendency of alleles that are located close together on a chromosome to be inherited together during meiosis, separate on to different chromatid during the chromosomal. In other words, the nearer two genes are on a chromosome, the lower is the change of a swap occurring between them, and the more likely they are to be inherited together. Discovery of genetic linkage. Classical genetics analyzes the frequency of allele recombination in progeny of genetic crosses. New association of parental alleles or recombinants produced by genetic recombination. According to Sutter and Boveri, the chromosome is a linkage group of Mendelian factors. Then, according to Morgan, genes are in a linear sequence on the chromosomes. They can be mapped. Linkage group is nothing but any two genes which are found on the same chromosomes are said to be linked to each other. Linked genes are usually passed on next generation together. Then linked genes are the exception to Mendel's law of independent assortment. Look at this picture carefully. A, B is one type of genes. Then again smaller letter A and B is one type of gene. But here trans AB by AB, see here, two types of genes also transfer. Look at this picture. Alice in coupling or cis configuration. Here, how would genes transformation from one place to another place? Look at this picture. Here, one type of characteristics gene transfer from that place. That is a trans configuration. Coupling and repulsion gene linked. Wide type alleles are found on the one chromosome. Mutant alleles are found on other chromosome. Then wide type alleles, the mutant allele, are found on the same chromosome. That is a repliance. Based on crossing over, linkage is two types. One is a complete linkage and another one is a incomplete linkage. Incomplete linkage also called as partial linkage. Complete linkage is known in case of males of Drosophila and females of silkworm, where there is a complete absence of recombinant types due to absence of crossing over. The next one is incomplete. If some frequency of crossing over also occurs between the linked genes, it is called as incomplete or partial linkage. Look at here. A linkage. Linkage is the association of genes. That is a linkage. A or B chromosome. Then linkage groups. All genes in one chromosome form one linkage group. That is a linkage group. Then linked. That is a genes. A pair of linked genes that is called as linked. Throughout this lesson, we see about only a chromosome, a structure of chromosomes and function of chromosomes and theory of chromosomes, like that. Then linkage of chromosomes. Totally everything is based on their characteristics. In structure, chromosomes have a centromere and p-arm and q-arm. P-arm is a short arm, q-arm is a long arm, like that. Then chromosome is made up of gene. These gene only help to transfer the characteristics from parent to young ones. This is a chromosomal theory. Then linkage. Linkage also, especially any one gene is a link. Then link group, the all gene of the one chromosome, it's a linkage groups. That is a linkage map. Then now it's a homework time. Make 15 short question answer. Try it. Okay. Thank you, students.